Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Iktaindians. Today I am going to share with you a very healthy and tasty fish recipe, fish fry without oil. This recipe is very healthy and nutrient dense, which I prepare in very easy and simple way and use ingredients which are easily available at your home. Now let's start the recipe. Here I take 3 pieces raw fishes which I have already marinated with 1 tablespoon vinegar for 5 minutes. Then I take 3 tablespoon ginger, garlic and green chili paste, 3 tablespoon fresh yogurt, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon shahi garam masala powder, and I also take chopped fresh coriander leaves. Now I take a bowl and add 3 tablespoon fresh yogurt, 1 teaspoon salt, 1.5 teaspoon turmeric powder, 3 tablespoon ginger, garlic, green chili paste, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon shahi garam masala powder. Now I mix all the things very well to make a smooth paste. Then I add 1 tablespoon lime juice into it and add some chopped fresh coriander leaves into it and mix them very well. Now I put all the pieces of the fish in the mixture and coat both sides very well. After coated all the pieces of fish with masala very well, I place them in a separate plate. Now I spread the masala mixture over the fish pieces and also sprinkle some chopped fresh coriander leaves over the pieces. Now I marinate the fish pieces in the masala for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I put a pan on the gas and heat it sufficiently. Then I place the marinated fish pieces in the pan very carefully one by one. Now I put all the masala mixture in the pan. Now I cover the pan with a lid and cook it on low flame for 5 to 10 minutes. If it seems that the fish is getting dry while frying, then I add 1 or maximum 2 teaspoon water into it, and again I cover the pan with a lid and cook it on low flame. A sprinkling of water and covering with a lid will help the fish cook properly by creating steam for cooking. Now I flipped the fish very carefully and let the other side cook well. All the fishes are cooked well. Now I turn off the gas and serve it in a serving plate. My today's recipe, fish fry without oil, is ready to serve. I serve it with salad and sprinkle some chaat masala powder on the top. I hope you like my today's healthy and tasty recipe and also like my style of cooking. You must try at your home. I'm sure you will love it very much. I need your support. Please like and share my recipe and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please send your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section of my video. I will see you soon in my next video with some new recipe. Till then, be safe, be healthy and enjoy cooking. Bye bye.